Now we have synced for technology, and with that we're launching our new and latest innovation, and that is Alexa built-in. With Alexa built-in, you get a lot of the features and functionalities and all the great experiences you like about your in-home digital assistant in the vehicle, already built in. You don't have to do anything. You just connect it to your existing account, or you can create an account, and it works just like magic. And the best part about what we have is we offer a 3-year complimentary service, and this is above and beyond, a lot above what other car companies are doing. A lot of them, our major competitors, are offering anywhere from 3 months to 1 year. Before they transition to a paid service, we give 3 years complimentary for our customers. Yeah, so it's a great experience for them and for us. So from now, I'm going to turn it over to Mark from Amazon to give you a little bit more information about the system from an Alexa perspective.
Yeah, and we've been proud at Alexa to be part of that transformation story with Ford over the past 5 years. And one big reason that Alexa has been so popular in the home in areas like the living room and the kitchen is because when you're multitasking, voice technology really shines. And it's the same thing in the auto, where voice can minimize distractions. It makes your ride more enjoyable and productive. And just like Ford, we're very customer obsessed at Amazon, so we built Alexa Auto because our customers asked for it. And it's an extension of the Alexa experience in the vehicle, at the home. And basically, customers can enjoy many of the same features they do at home, whether that's playing music, playing games, controlling smart home. And for the vehicle specifically, we added features like navigation and car control, which really enhances the experience in vehicle.
When you said car control, it's not just about infotainment system. You mean to like the behavior of the car or something like that?
Features within the car, and that's going to be in the demo that we'll show you here. So it's coming up soon.
Okay.
Almost there.
Almost there.
And we're very excited about Ford's new offer and complimentary access to key Alexa features for 3 years. Realize that not everyone's willing to pay for a separate vehicle data plan, so this is a really great customer benefit for customers. And now vehicles with Alexa built in can have enhanced car control. And that's a feature that's built on Alexa's teachable AI technology. So Alexa can learn and remember customers' preferred voice commands. So we are here, and let's go jump in and see it live.
Sit in the front seat here, and then the other person can sit in the back seat.
Okay. So,
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay.
Or if you're filming from that, I'm just thinking you'll want to see what's happening on the screen.
Of course.
Here.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, so we're here in New York. Why don't we start off by going someplace? Alexa, take me to the Bronx Zoo.
There is a Bronx Zoo, 11.4 miles away on 2300 Southern Boulevard. Do you want to get directions to that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to Bronx Zoo at 2300 Southern Boulevard.
I see the directions pop up.
Yeah.
So having lived in New York, I know the traffic here can be pretty terrible at times, so let's check the traffic. Alexa, what's the traffic like today?
Around your location, traffic looks sluggish. I have a report that on I-278 Brooklyn-Queens Expressway westbound, there are delays of over 24 minutes between exit 35 for I-495 and exit 27 for Columbia Street, with average speeds of around 10 miles per hour.
It's not that fast, right? I guess it's not that surprising. But, you know, one of the things we see that customers love to do in their vehicle, it makes that ride more entertaining, is playing music. So let's put some music on. Alexa, tune to 105.9 FM.
105.9 from FM radio.
relaxing in the traffic. All right, but maybe you don't want to listen to classical. We can switch it up. Alexa, play station 53 on Sirius XM.
53, from Sirius XM.
It's a little more upbeat, right?
Yeah.
She needs something inspirational on the ride.
That's awesome because you feel like in home. So it's like something that you used to do like every day, you know?
Yep, very true. So I don't know about everyone here, but I'm a huge coffee drinker, and I think I probably need some more, to be honest. So, Alexa, find nearby coffee shops.
I found a few nearby coffee shops. There's Old Country Coffee, 0.3 miles away on West 34th Street. Romeo and Juliet Colombian Coffee, 0.8 miles away on West 42nd Street. And Bluestone Lane Manhattan West Cafe, 0.7 miles away on West 31st Street.
Alexa, select number 1.
Here's more about Old Country Coffee. It is 0.3 miles away on 455 West 34th Street in New York. It is open until later today at 7 p.m.
I think it's nice because it shows you the hours, because sometimes you never know from place to place.
Scroll up, where you scroll up on your screen. You can scroll up and see as if you are actually looking at a review line.
That's actually pretty good, right? 4.5 stars.
Yeah.
Should we head over there?
I know, right? I can do some.
So we'd like to show you now the enhanced car control that we were talking about. So I just want to call attention to, it's kind of hot in here, right? So we had the air conditioning down at 62 degrees. But let's say you're cold. Alexa, I'm cold.
Do you want to increase the temperature by 5 or turn off the AC?
Increase the temperature by 5.
I'll remember that. If you want to undo this, ask me to delete the last thing you taught me.
So what's cool about this is it's a level of personalization, right? So Alexa learns and remembers what your preferred voice commands are for the future. So
There's a lot. For example,
I'm going to show one more example of that. Come on with this. Alexa.
Doesn't like you. Go to audio. I think you're
Should
inside
like me. Okay. Alexa, set temperature to cozy.
I'm not sure how to help with that, but you can teach me. What does cozy mean?
72 degrees.
I'll remember that. If you want to undo this, ask me to delete the last thing you taught me.
So now remember that.
Of course.
That's a personalized command there. So it's too hot though for 72. So
For today, for real.
Turn it down to 65 again. I know Wes is happy about that. But one of the other things that really great at is maintaining productivity.
Okay.
So Alexa, show me my grocery list.
You have 3 items on your grocery list: brown sugar, ground beef, and grapefruit.
We're gonna combine those into a weird recipe. No. But again, you could have made this list on your Echo device at home, and of course it's in the cloud, so now you have it here. And so what's great is, again, Alexa travels with you to the vehicle. So, you know, we wanted to show some of the features here that we think are really cool to keep you connected on your journey, make you more productive, make the ride more enjoyable, and when you're on the go with Ford and Alexa. So that's our demo for today.
No, it's very good, very good. I really love the things that Alexa can know how you talk to them. Yeah, Alexa is ready. So she gets used to the way that you mention the things, you know. So it's like in home. You feel like home.
Yeah, and I want to call out something else that's a little bit hard to show here, But one of the other things that we know that customers really love is smart home is becoming more and more important. So this is talking about the car to home and how you can connect with smart home devices in your home. So there's so many things that are coming out now. You can control lights, you can have the peace of mind, make sure the garage door is closed, and make sure that your doors are locked.
Yeah, because if your house is already smart by Alexa, you know, you can, if you had the car connected with the cloud in your house, you can handle things at your house being in your car, right?
Exactly correct. So that's it. Like, so let's say that, you know, I don't own a room and I don't know how well the room is cleaned, but you can control them and start like the room cleaning before you get home. Things like that are just, I think, a whole level of convenience, and to be able to do that from the car is really great. So just wanted to call out that feature as well. So
yeah, and just you know, one more thing. One of the best things, and just kind of to reiterate, you know, anything you do most of the things you can do at home, it transfers in here. So that grocery list, we did not make that in this car today. That was done at a different time from a different device, and that transferred over here. So a lot of the things that you pre-set up or you're doing in home, you can bring here. If you're listening to an audiobook, you can continue listening to it in here.
Awesome.
You can, you know, like he said, turn on a light because it got dark and you didn't plan on being home so late. So, you know, it's really great to extend that experience that you're already used to in your home into the vehicle.
Super cool. We really appreciate this time for us.
of course.
En español.
Okay.
Si tienen niños en el vehículo, ¿es posible pedirle a Alexa que le ponga entretenimiento aquí?
¿Qué es tratamiento?
Entertainment, like
una
kids, movie kits or something, games. See, she says if you have kids and your kids are going back, and you ask Alexa for some entertainment for the kids, if you're gonna have it in those screens that we have.
This is a separate feature.
Okay.
It's Fire TV, so it is an Amazon device, but it is a separate experience.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yo quiero agradecer a Ford que tuvo la amabilidad de mostrarnos a nosotros el nuevo sistema, la configuración de Amazon Alexa y Ford. Entonces es una manera muy friendly de uno tener los comandos de voz y uno poder conectarse con el auto, ya una forma que uno está acostumbrado incluso a hacerlo en la casa. Así que queremos agradecerle de verdad que han tenido la cortesía de, separados de todos los equipos de prensa, tomarnos dentro de un vehículo para hacernos esa demostración de la nueva innovación de conectividad humano-vehículo, como lo hemos mencionado en oportunidades anteriores. Así que de verdad muchísimas gracias. Yo creo que muchas personas que han visto esta demostración van a quedar mucho más complacidas de que ahora es mucho más agradable el proceso de conexión humano-auto.